In the weeks before the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 were fully unveiled, there was one particular rumor going around that I think a lot of people were fairly excited about. You see, these devices have a little bit of a reputation for being not as durable as normal phones, and I think that is to some degree warranted. They do have a flexible glass screen. They have a large hinge where things can get into the device, be it water or even worse, smaller particles like dust, sand, things like that. These devices, like the Z Fold, like the Pixel Fold, do not come with a dust resistance rating. So far, all of them are coming with basically at best IPX8 rating, which means water resistant. You don't want to throw it to the bottom of your pool and let it stay down there for 10 minutes. Wouldn't be very smart. Or spray it with a water hose like I've seen some people do and then be surprised when their phone no longer works properly. But nonetheless, it should be resistant to water. Going out in a rainstorm shouldn't be a problem. But there is no dust resistance. That X in the middle, IPX8, means nothing. There's no dust resistance. That's true of the Pixel Fold. That's true of the Z Fold and the Z Flip. But there was, as I alluded to earlier, a rumor that dust resistance might be coming to the Z Fold and Z Flip 5. Of course, once these devices were unveiled, it was revealed that that was not the case. These devices would not be dust resistant. However, I have a post here, an article from Sam Mobile, where we have a quote from the Samsung MX chief talking about dust resistance. Let's highlight this bit here. They said, and I quote, "We are well aware of consumer demand for dust proofing, and we are making various efforts to achieve this, but due to the nature of foldables, there are many moving parts, so dust proofing is difficult." So this sort of tells us a little bit where some of these rumors were coming from. Perhaps these leakers that had heard these things and passed them along heard that progress was being made, that they were working on this, and assumed maybe it's here for the Fold 5, the Flip 5, but of course, it was not quite ready yet. And like Mr. Rowe is saying here in this quote, it is a very difficult thing to solve for, because with the internals, you can put little gaskets and things in the way, but you can also coat the internals with waterproof coating so that the water doesn't actually get to anything. But with dust resistance, you have a hinge in there that's opening and closing with gears and cams, and if dust and particles get into those gears and cams and begin grinding along in them, I would imagine, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm just coming from the automotive world and my brain is just stuck in that place, but typically gears and cams have oil and that kind of thing. When dirt and dust and things, grime gets in that oil, that is also a recipe for disaster. So keeping that dust and dirt and grime and sand out of devices like this when there are openings where the hinges are is going to be very, very difficult, and it's going to take some impressive engineering to solve this to the degree that they can actually get a true rating for their device. This is totally off topic, but while I was sitting here, I just received an email asking me to review a hair removal device. Never a dull moment in my inbox. Guys, what do you think? How important is dust resistance for you in these devices? Maybe you've carried a Z Fold, a Z Flip for some time in a dusty environment. Maybe you've had problems. Maybe you haven't. Talk about it in the comments down below. Let's have that conversation. Should be interesting to have. Guys, subscribe for more content just like this. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.